Hey everybody, wanted to introduce you to one of our favorite cleansers here at Radiance. It is the eltaMD Skincare Foaming Facial Cleanser, and it is an enzyme-based cleanser, and it is sensational. It feels amazing on the skin. It does a great job of deep cleaning without stripping the skin, and it is enzyme based, and enzymes are basically gentle exfoliators, and when you experience this cleanser you will almost feel like it's little champagne bubbles on the skin. It's incredible. So I'm just going to kind of show you on my gorgeous model Taylor here how I recommend using this cleanser to clients. And I really love using this, applying it dry, meaning you're not going to really wet your fingers or anything. You're just gonna pump it out of the package and apply it to the skin and leave it on for a good 20 to 30 seconds, because you'll notice a really incredible foaming action, and then you'll get that, of course, amazing champagne bubble sensation as well. So you can see already on Taylor that white foam forming, and that was within seconds of me applying it. So leave it on for a good 20 to 30 seconds and it only gets better. I also love to incorporate, when you're taking it off, incorporate like a Clarisonic or some sort of sonic cleanser utensil with it too. Utensil probably wasn't the best term to use. Taylor, can you turn your head towards the, so you guys can see how this is foaming up. And so visually, sensation wise, awesome. And then of course you're getting that benefit of the enzymes, removing that dirt and dander from the day. Also great to remove makeup. It's gentle around the eye area. Again, it's not going to strip your skin. It is great for sensitive, normal to oily skin. It also is pH balanced, and what that means is it does not require a toner afterwards to bring that skin back to its pH balance, where other products will absorb nicely into the skin. Although I do fully encourage a toner after, it is not required with this. And I also love that this comes in a larger 7-ounce pump bottle, as well as a small 2.7-ounce travel bottle. So if you're going up north or you travel a lot for work, this is easy to put in your carry-on and travel with you. The pump locks, and so it travels really well. It's really inexpensive. It's less than $35. $10 for the travel, so it's a really great inexpensive cleanser, awesome for teenagers as well. Stop into Radiant Skin Therapy in Madison, Wisconsin, pick yours up, and I promise you'll love it.